you interested in French design and French designed souvenirs? Bring France Home is for you. Thursday, from the Bastille to Saint Paul, I changed my route. Normally, through Place des Vosges and Hôtel du Silly, I took Rue de Birague instead. Under the arches and past street art, I came upon a designer souvenir shop, dressed in French colors, bleu, blanc et rouge. Nathalie knew I was coming and greeted me at the door. Each French designed souvenir in the shop has a story. Nathalie will tell us more.
I'm Nathalie, and I started this Bring France Home shop with Mathilde. We are friends, and we had this idea that it was a bit strange for people traveling a long way to visit France, not to give them the opportunity to bring back home something that is really French, because most souvenir and gift shops in Paris are selling products that are either made in China or do not represent France and the art de vivre and the culture and the know-how of France. So we decided that it was time to change that and to give them a true opportunity of bringing back home something that was authentic souvenir made in France. And this is how we came up with this idea of opening our first shop, which is called Bring France Home. Béret, qui est en fait un serre-tête qui est très agréable à porter. Donc c'est un béret traditionnel qui est fabriqué à Oloron-Sainte-Marie par la maison Lolaire, qui est la maison qui fabrique les bérets de façon la plus ancienne. Et c'est un béret qui a été designé par Élise Foin, qui est une jeune designeuse parisienne, qui a fait ce béret avec les 3 petits pompons bleu, blanc, rouge qui illustrent la France. Et c'est très pratique parce que quand on le met sur la tête, il tient tout seul, il tient les cheveux et ça apporte une petite touche de fantaisie très agréable à porter. Monsieur Chat is a friend of Mathilde. Mathilde is the second owner of Bring France Home. We started this company together. So Mr. Shah designed this candle for us. This candle is made out of slate, the glass inside. And then we have Mr. Cat greeting our visitors on the rooftop of Paris with the Eiffel Tower. And then there is a little bubble here where you can write your own message, because each candle is delivered with a pencil and then you can write whatever you want. He also did for us this ceramic that you can put in your drawers. It's plain, but the ceramic will diffuse whatever perfume you put on it, perfume or essential oil. You just need to put a drop of your favorite fragrance on the ceramic and then it's perfect. It will keep on and it will make your drawer smell lovely. You will notice on this little drawing from Mr. Cat that the Mr. Cat has got his heart beating to make sure you don't forget about him after your visit of Paris. Both the ceramic and the candles are limited editions because it's something special that Mr. Cat, Monsieur Chat, did for Mathilde. So Colleen, let me introduce you to a famous legend that we learn at school. I don't know how it's going on for ages. It's about these Duralex glasses, manufactured in France as well. At the bottom of each glass there is a number, and this number is supposed to be your age when you drink from this glass. So when you look at each glass, there is a different number. This one is 23, so today I'm 23. And tomorrow, if I drink from this glass, I will be 20 only. It's good because you are getting younger and younger every time. So all the kids, this company, Duralex, is manufacturing glasses, and most of them are not with this serigraphy here, which show Paris and the Seine River and the rooster, but they are plain. And at school, when we gather for lunchtime, when we are around the table, the first thing we do when we arrive at the table when we are kids is to look up at the number, to guess our age, and it's a kind of game. And depending on the schools, in some schools, the one who's got the lowest number, who is supposed to be the younger, is the one who is supposed to clean up the table. And in other school, it's on the contrary, it's the people who got the highest number, who is the oldest, who is supposed to clean up the table. It's always finding a good way to have somebody nominated to clean up the table. Okay, here you have a tooth box. This tooth box is special. It has a little mouse on top of it, because in France we don't believe in fairy. We believe it's not a fairy that is coming to grab the teeth, the fallen teeth of the children, and replace it by a coin. We believe it's a little mouse. When they have a fallen teeth, they put it under the pillow, and the legend says that the little mouse at night is coming, grabbing the teeth or the tooth, replacing it by a coin, and the parents in fact keep the teeth of their children in this little box so that they can keep everything from their children and keep it safely, and it's the guardian of the keeper of this little treasure is the little mouse. So here we've got 5 different tote bags made by Hélène Sou. Hélène Sou is a French designer as well. So you've got the Eiffel Tower and the emblematic animal of France, which is the rooster. And the rooster screams "Cocorico, Cocorico." We don't say cock-a-doodle-doo or kirikiki, depending on each country. We say Cocorico. And Hélène Sou also did these mugs. That are being made out of porcelain de Limoges and painted in Blois. So same thing, it's souvenir made in La France. So you've got the famous scream Cocorico again, and Vive la France. And Hélène, always with the same design, did also a set of 2 magnets. Same story again, with the heart beating, Vive la France, the Eiffel Tower and the rooster, and the Eiffel Tower and the rooster screaming Cocorico! This is made by a young artist, a Parisian artist called Karen Mills. She takes pictures and then she reproduces the picture on the silk. So it's the rooftop of Paris, and we've got the pavement of Paris as well. And they come up with a lovely packaging which gives you ideas on how to wear it. So this is the packaging for the rooftop of Paris, and this is the packaging for the pavement of Paris, and it's really nice product. And she also does these little pouches here with the facade of Paris and once again the rooftop of Paris. So you've got them here, you know, a little place to put your iPad or whatever you want, with the rooftops and the buildings of Paris.